Stop watching tutorials, do this instead. If you've watched 10, 20, even 50 AI tutorials, and you still haven't made money, this is exactly why. You're not lazy. You're not confused. You're just stuck in something I call the learning trap. And today, I'll show you how to break out of it in 24 hours. Here's what's happening. Every day, you watch videos like, how to make money with AI, top AI tools, best side hustles. You save them. You like them. You say, I'll start soon. But you don't. Not because you can't. But because you feel like you still need to learn more. So you keep watching. And watching. And watching. That's the trap. Learning feels productive. But it's not making you money. Now compare that to someone else. They don't know everything. They're not perfect. But they take one idea. And try it immediately. They message people. They create something small. They get ignored. But they learn fast. And eventually, they get paid. Right, that's the difference. Not intelligence. Not talent. Just action. So here's what I want you to do. Not next week. Not tomorrow. Today. Right, give yourself 24 hours. Step 1, pick one skill. Writing, design, or video. Step 2, use ChatGPT. Create something simple. 3 captions. 1 flyer. 1 short video. Step 3, find 5 small businesses. WhatsApp. Instagram. Anywhere. Step 4, message them. Hi, I created something for your business. Can I send it? Step 5, send it. No perfection. No long thinking. Just action. Let me be honest with you. You don't need more tutorials. You need more attempts. Because your first money online will not come from watching. It will come from doing. So stop watching. Start trying. And if you want more real, simple ways to make money with AI, subscribe. I'll guide you step by step, no hype.